Muslim girls' names starting with Z with meanings in English by I. Fechner. Zafira means victorious, successful. Zahida means abstinent. Zaira means visitor, guest. Zamina means one who stands surety for another, one who helps. Zada means the lucky one. Zafira means firm. Zafira means victorious, successful. Zahara means a blossom or flower, the bright dawn. Zahbiya means beautiful. Zahida means expression. Zahidah means abstinent. Zahira means shining, luminous. Zahra means radiant, light breeze, a blossom or flower, the bright dawn. Zahra means beautiful lady, white. Zahra means Zohra means the planet Venus, beauty, virtue, flower. Zeb means adornment, beauty, elegance. Zeda means growth, fortunate. Zena means beautiful. Zera means vibrance, rose. Zera means visitor. Zaitun means the olive tree or the olive fruit. Zaituna means the olive tree or the olive fruit. Zakia means intelligent. Zakia means pure. Zakia means pure, intelligent. Zakia means pure. Zakia means pure, one who has a sharp mind and keen perception, intelligent. Zalika means a lady with such beauty that it leaves people gaping in wonderment. Zalika means well-born. Zamila means companion. Zumrud was a narrator of Hadith. Zamzam means holy water. Zara means a blossom or flower, the bright dawn. Zare means radiance. Zardari means rich. Zareen means golden. Zaria means radiance. Zarifa means moves with grace, graceful. Zarin means golden. Zarpashi means charitable. Zarqa means blue. Zara was a narrator of Hadith. Zeb means adornment. Zeba means adornment, beauty. Zan means beauty, grace. Zaitun means olive. Zaza means movement, flowery. Zebunisa means the most beautiful among the ladies. Zeba means ornament, beautiful. Zina means beauty. Zinat means beautiful. Zaitununisa means beauty, elegance, adornment of the women. Zehba means gold. Zelma means of firm and resolute intention. Xenia means a type of flower. Xenia. Zenith means the highest point. Zia means splendor or ripened grain, a boy or girl's name. Zinira means name of a Sahabiya. Zuhra means the planet Venus, beauty, splendor, the blooming flower. Zubeda means excellent. Zuha means morning star. Zuhra means the planet Venus, beauty, virtue, brilliance. Zulekha was the name of a famous woman in the days of Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me for this tutorial. Please note that this tutorial is only for knowledge sharing purposes. I can't guarantee the accuracy of the meanings and pronunciation of names in this tutorial. Name can be spelled and pronounced differently. I would advise you to consult a local scholar for verification before deciding a name for your baby. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.
Like, share, subscribe. iFactner.